name is Swami and she is Vichanda, and we are discussing on the topic how to make parks, children and adults. Now, today is the era of interconnection and people are connected to Facebook, WhatsApp and stuff, but then we even need to interact face to face. People are forgetting the importance of interacting face to face and coming together and doing something. So if every locality has a park of their own and where every people of every section and every ages of the society come together and interact, it will make a very interconnected and wide stuff.
So that is why in USA we have seen there is, they are building intergenerational parks that include all the ages of people in mind while making parks. So basically park infrastructure is a wide, infra branch in which, park advisors, park inspectors and other professionals must be, assigned to do this task. And basically, parks should not be just parks. They should have been developed in such a way that would cater to the needs of elders and children. Elders, they just chit chat and talk. They should be involved in some activities also. That would be good for their health as well. Like they can do meditation, yoga, and go through certain exercises that are there in other
So
countries.
there are simple swings or slides we can say that are built especially for the elders. They can come together and play and stuff. And these these collaborations have been taken from the foreign countries so that the elders also enjoy their life. It's not that we are getting old and we can't enjoy life.
Even there is a program in Discovery Science that is, Gadget Man, in which there was an episode on, children parks. So I've given a great idea. They, the energy of the children would be used and it would be
Utilized for
creating, swings.
electricity. The basic thing is that the swing should be designed in such a way that the energy the children give on the swings, they are utilized and give electricity. So this is also a very good idea which can be used.
So this is true. Swings can also work, and the localities, near them can also use that electricity for their own purposes.
Okay, that's great.